welcome back to another video, and this video is mainly about a day in my school life, how I spend my week as a college student. Yeah, so it's a pretty simple video, so I hope you guys will like it. I am now walking to school, SK Hall, for classes. I'm actually running a bit late, so I'm gonna like walk really fast. I'll be meeting up with Milena. She's my new roommate later on at about 10, mainly because I have a class at 9 and hers is a bit later, so I'll meet her up later on. And also this morning's weather is just beautiful. It's so sunny and windy, so there's like cooling air just right. Like, I'm not even sweating wearing long sleeve. I usually do, but today not. But I think in the afternoon will be about 30 degrees Celsius, so it'll be hot later on.
Yes, I did.
I just finished
2 hours ago.
Yeah, I finished my first class and I was studying, and it's 12 now, so I'm gonna go get lunch. She just ate now, so. I have no idea what I want. I'm just gonna take a really long time searching for food. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this actually. Yeah. Let's pick. Yeah. You guys, look at the portion. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's huge. Yo, it's huge for 7,500 Korean won. That's crazy. I've never seen a bowl like this. This looks like it's for 5 people. Yo, this is so good, so good. The food, it took so long to get to me too, so I just ate and I have 2 more minutes before class starts. So let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Let's go. I think health functional food itself, the word choice is a bit weird. Like health supplements would be better, etc. Maybe they could give like a place for option for people to write down. Finished all my classes for today and I did a little bit of studying and it's currently 4 p.m. I am walking toward LG Pascal Hall as I'm gonna go pick up a kit from the business school. So here we go. This is the business school, by the way. It's so beautiful. My favorite place. LG Pascal Hall is here, and the Hyundai Motors Hall is that side, all the way at the end. I got my kit! Can't wait to do an unboxing for you guys. Okay, the moment I return back to the dorm, I'll do it right away. I just finished my dinner, so let's do the unboxing. actually did not peek at all because I wanted to have like my first reaction, you know. What a cute box art. New fashion item. Okay, let's see. Whoa, so fancy. Gaota. It's actually the Chinese name for Korea University is Gaoli Daxue. So, oh, I think there's like a bam. There's some like letter, bro. Whoa. Oh, I don't think I'll read this, but damn, this is long. What? Okay, let me see what does it say. Oh, they're like mixing literally Chinese and Korean. Is that possible? Yo, they really are mixing both like Chinese and Korean together. Okay, I'll figure this out later. It's too long. It's too long and the handwriting is pretty hard to read. But dang, this is really cool. By the way, we take this class called Liberty, Justice and Truth. It's called 자동진 in Korean. It's actually only a course that is available in Korea University, and it is mandatory for all of us to take it. It's like the motto of our university. So yeah. Ooh. So here we have this, and let's move on to the second bag. Just a small pouch bag. Wow! Oh my god, this is so pretty! Well, they're both badges. So, this one's the one with safety pin. It's actually really pretty. This one. Ooh, yeah, this one. Libertas Justitia Veritas. I think this is another ladder. Oh, it's a postcard. It's a postcard. This is our main building. Yeah, and there's like a statue here. You can see it's really hard to see, but yeah, it's here. This statue. And the front door, like the front gate, and this is our main building. This is actually beautiful. A very warm message. This is cute. Okay, let's move on to the next one. More stickers. It's the Can You Correct This? 저기 응원 카드. It's just a manual, like a small manual book. So like we said, we saw this just now. The one that has a really long letter. And oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, wait, what is this? 가방걸이. Ah, it's to hang your bags, like you know, like this. Hang your bags. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, one last one. I think this is just like a note. Sticky memo pad. This is so cute too. Ooh. Yeah. But yes, that's about it. That's the end of the haul. I hope you liked it.